To all the students who are listening and watching this video lesson, this is Teacher Claire for Ecom channel. Good day to each and every one of you. And today we are going to talk about how you could write an effective research title. Research paper title does matter a lot because it is the first thing that we look for and we look at whenever we are reading a research paper. But I will make things easier for you. I will discuss the fundamental parts of a research title. First of all, you have to be aware that there is also a difference between writing a quantitative research title versus writing a qualitative research title. And since Practical Research 1 is focused on qualitative research, I'll be giving you an example of a qualitative research title. And from that title, I will discuss the fundamental parts of a research title. To give you an overview of how to know when your research title is qualitative, you have to look at the variables implied in the topic of your title. If they can be measured and expressed numerically, then it is quantitative. But if they can only be described and not numeralized, it is qualitative. What are these variables in the title we are talking about? We have two, the independent variable and the dependent variable. Talking about independent variable, technically it shows the topic of the study. It signals the problem you want to solve. While when we say dependent variable, it received the effect of the independent variable, or it is affected by the independent variable. Furthermore, the dependent variable also refers to the samples or the respondents of the study. These two variables are two among the five fundamental parts of a research title. The others are the research goal or the end result, the locale or the setting, and the methodology. Although methodology is optional, you may or may not include it in your title. Let us now have the example research title, 5 Common Factors that Affect the Academic Performance of Andres Bonifacio Integrated School Senior High School Students in the New Normal, a qualitative report. This research title consisted of all the 5 fundamental parts. The first one is the topic, or the independent variable. Our topic there is academic performance of the students. Can this variable be quantified? Can we count academic performance of the students? The answer is no, but we can describe it. So obviously, the research title is qualitative. The next part is the dependent variable, which signals the respondents of the study. And obviously, we have ABI's SHS students. They are the respondents of the study, and they are affected by the independent variable, which is academic performance. Also remember that the independent variable would show us the problem that we wanted to resolve. And our independent variable academic performance is the problem. The question is, which part of the research title would show the solution to the problem? And that would then be the end result or the research goal. In this research title, the research goal or the end result part would be the 5 common factors, meaning to say that the conduct of the study aims to identify the 5 common factors that affect the academic performance of the SHS students. The next part of the research title would be the locale or the setting from where the study would be conducted. And of course, the locale is Andres Bonifacio Integrated School. And then the last part would be the identification of the methodology to be used by the researcher. As you can see, it is the qualitative research method. Now, I'd like you to look again at the title with the identified parts. And to sum up the discussion today, always remember that a research title must contain the following parts. It should have the independent variable, the dependent variable, the method, the result, and the locale or setting.